Welcome all. Today I will be showing you how to generate a Manager Cashup report. To do this, go to the settings, which can be found at the three horizontal line icon. Then select settings. From here, if you look here, you will see Manager Cashup Report. Something to note is if I click on this, you will see that it says you need to close all shifts before proceeding. To close a shift, you will select End Shift, put in the manager pin, enter your total cash on hand, which, remember, includes your float. You can also add the loyalty used for the day, MasterCard and account, and also expenses like petty cash payments, deposits, or credit notes for card or cash. Select Next. Here, you will see a list of everything you entered, and from here, you can make sure you have entered the information correctly before proceeding. If you are sure that everything is entered correctly, then we can continue by clicking on Submit. Click on OK. Here, you will see a list of your tally, like shown previously. The system count is what the system has saved for the day through sales, and variances, if there are any, between your count and the system count. From here, you can add a note for Cashup or click Accept. Click OK, and you will be brought back to the settings. Now, if we click on Manager Cashup Report again, you will see that it opens up the menu where you can filter by either if the shift was opened on the day you are looking at or closed on the day you are looking at. Then select Next. Notice how this menu is different than the normal shift or Cashup report. With Manager Cashup Report, as seen previously, you need to end all shifts before generating it. That is why you cannot select Still Open like in a shift or manage or Cashup report. For this demonstration, I will be using Closed today. So here, you will see the same information as seen previously on the Cashup report or staff shift report. You can see your closed turnover, your GP margin, tab count, and even discounts and voids for the day. From here, you can select to print the report, or if that is not needed, you can close by going to the top right hand corner and clicking on the X. So that was how to retrieve a Manager Cashup report. Pretty simple, like. As explained previously, the difference between a shift report or Cashup report and a Manager Cashup report is that a shift report can be used to view shifts that are still open, where the Manager Cashup report, all shifts have to be ended before you can generate the report. That's all from me. I hope you have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.